Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, July 13, 2022. Yesterday was a consolidation-like day for the majority of the session, but late in the afternoon, some news came out about a CPI number, and the markets took off to the downside, closing down at the lows, or just off the lows of the session. So we're going to take a look at what's happened following a weak close like that this morning in Discover. Let me go ahead and get it set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is drifting higher. We've got a tight range in the overnight session at the moment, but it is trading up a bit. So I'm going to go to the opening filters and click on gap up in the gap direction. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to add a piece of information about yesterday's close, where we closed down near the lows of the session. I'm going to grab that from the active today section. I'm going to go down to this part right here, close and bottom 25% of daily range, and grab that. It comes from our location of the last open and close. You can see it's been selected right there. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library, put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed below a 10-day and below a 200-day simple moving average, and then I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you were gapping up and the prior session closed in the bottom 25% of the daily range and below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 152 samples in the S&P, 143 in the NASDAQ, 159 in the Dow, 197 in the Russell. So good sample sizes to look at here. Win rates on these just slightly favored. S&P coming in 57%, NASDAQ 53%, Dow and Russell both 57%. If we look at the average of moves, the average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the average loss is just slightly larger than the average win. The Dow has a larger average win, and the Russell has a slightly larger average loss. So we're a little bit mixed on the average moves, but the win rates are all a little bit favored. Not the strongest I've ever seen, but just slightly favored there. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.